Are you tired of losing track of your leads? Your sales process shouldn't feel overwhelming. Salesflare's tracking software offers the perfect solution for you. Experience effortless lead management with visual pipelines. Drag and drop your leads in an easy-to-follow overview. Revolutionize how you view your sales process today. Stay on top of your follow-ups with automated reminders. Our system prompts you to respond and take action, so nothing slips through the cracks. Receive live notifications that keep you updated on all activities. Know instantly when lead interactions happen, ensuring you're in the loop. Easily create and save segments for targeted efforts. Access tailored lists that fit your needs using advanced filtering combinations for maximum efficiency. Customize your experience by organizing information with custom fields. Filter and track details that make sense for your business. Have questions? Our dedicated team is here to help you. Book a free demo or receive training tailored to your needs. Optimize your sales tracking today with Salesflare and never lose a lead again. Take action now and elevate your sales success.